Low-carb dieting for successful weight loss. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Low-carb dieting has become fashionable in recent years, especially with the publication of the Atkins diet. Losing weight is a goal for so many people, and everybody is looking for the quick and easy way to lose weight. Some people do not need to lose weight at all but still get stressed over a couple of pounds. Others need to lose for medical reasons and may have 100 pounds or more that they want to shed. There are many different diets out there, including low-carbohydrate diets, and the truth is that most of them will achieve weight loss if they are followed correctly. This does not mean always doing what the diet says every moment of every day. What is more important is how you deal with the inevitable occasion when you eat too much or feast on foods that are not on the plan. If you can write this off and return to the plan without giving yourself a hard time, you are likely to succeed. Everybody has those days. The important thing is to let them go and accept them as just another step on the road to permanent weight loss. It is also important to find a diet that you can easily follow. Low-carb diets suit many people because the rules are quite simple. As the name suggests, the diet consists of avoiding or limiting foods that are high in carbohydrates. These include bread, pasta, potatoes, rice and other grains. Sugar is also a carbohydrate. Once you understand what these foods are, it is a simple matter to choose dishes that avoid them. Most criticism of low-carbohydrate dieting is based on the fact that the dieters will get most of their daily calories from meat, dairy and other high-fat products. This can lead to high cholesterol and other problems related to a high intake of saturated fats. Medical advice is advised before starting this type of diet. Sometimes weight loss is good in the early stages, but people cannot handle the restrictions in the longer term and start to deviate from the diet. One of the problems that many people have with low-carb dieting is the elimination of bread and pasta. No more toast, spaghetti or pizza. Many of the foods that are quickest to prepare are based around carbohydrates: burgers in their buns, fries, sandwiches, pasta and sauce. Beer and other alcoholic drinks are high in carbs too. It is true that alcohol is generally restricted on any diet, because it is high in calories and very low in nutritional value, but low-carb diets put particular emphasis on this. Still, there are many foods that can be enjoyed on a low-carb diet. If you are fond of meat, you will relish the opportunity to consume beef, chicken and other animal products. The popularity of these diets is clear from the length of time that they stay on the bestseller lists. It is just a matter of what suits you. Low-carb dieting works for many people. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Check out the description of the video below to get more information.